Kamite ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ironekana gwikora handu hacekeme hariri-ini ma githurano kinene kiria riu gitigitie mweri umwe makiria kumana na mashira maria matwaritwo magoti-ini ni ahuraniri aria mataiganirire na maundu matiganite. Na riu IEBC neheanite ndariri cia kuonania uhotekeku wa ati ithurano cia gutirio thiini wa icigo imwe na imwe. Muikariri giti Wafula Chebukati akiuga ati itua riri rigukinyukio angikorwo magoti matigukorwo matuithanitie mashira maya na ihenya uria kungihotekeka.
I want to urge the judiciary to finalize them. If for any reason they are not finalized in good time, then as a commission we cannot wait forever. We shall be forced to suspend elections in those areas where decisions are made that interfere, or not interfere really, but affect the printing of ballot papers.
Gukinyiria riu mashira matanyeire 321 maria maumanite na ithurano cia wamũranĩre marikitie gutuithanio, no kuri na mangi 31 maria mari igoti-ini rinene kundu gutiganite.
We must deliver an election on 9th of August, and that then we hope the judiciary will fast track whatever decisions they have to make so as not to interfere with the printing of ballot papers.
Kiumia giki IEBC nirambiriirie kwamukira maratathi ma wikia wa kura maria maracabithio ni kambuni ya Inform Lycos kuma bururi-ini wa Greece, na IEBC yugite maratathi ma muthia mabatie gukinya guku Kenya tariki 29 mweri uyu, na magoti ni nginyagia maheane mwerekera wa mashira angikorwo maratathi ma wikia wa kura icigo-ini icio ni magucabithio.
You know, we've been waiting for the register of voters. I understand it is forthcoming soon. We look forward to seeing it. We also look forward to seeing a number of reports, audit reports, the report of the KPMG from 2017 and that from 2022 to assure ourselves that the problems that were identified in 2017 have been fixed by the Commission.
Ona kuhana uguo, Chebukati neranĩire ati ithurano ni cigukorwo cirĩ cia ũma na waragania, akiuga ati ni gugakorwo na waraganio na harĩ kwanĩrĩra moimĩrĩra ma kura, gũkũ na wanyiti itemi angĩ makihinyĩrĩria wĩgiĩ thayũ mbere, hĩndĩ na thutha wa gĩthurano.
We trust you. We believe what you say. But we want, as the Russians say, to trust but verify.
All other key stakeholders constitutionally mandated to either manage or support this process are particularly also requested to carry out those mandates in a democratic, free and fair manner, and to ultimately allow the will of the Kenyan people to be expressed through the vote.
It's only the Commission that will declare the winner. But the results are not the preserve of the Commission. The results are for every Kenyan. Let all of us have the results. The Commission is telling candidates, media, agents, observers, get copies of the results.
Chebukati ekwaragia hĩndĩ igongona rĩa gwĩkĩranĩra ngirimiti na kamĩtĩ ya ũrũmwe na ũiguano NCIC, Kenya Daima na ciama 86 iria cigũkorwo gĩthurano-inĩ gĩkĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani Wangũnjiri.